Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to, send money to Nepal using TapTap Send. So let's dive into it. But for that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because the channel helps me out. So the first thing to do, which is your first step or step one, is to launch the app on your phone. Then sign into your account or create a new one. So choose the Nepal as the receiving country. Then type the amount you want to send. Then after that, you have to add the recipient. Enter the recipient's name, the bank or the mobile wallet details in Nepal. Then choose the payment method. So to do that, select your preferred payment method, which should be it could be your debit card, or you can also use the bank. And after that, review the details, double check the amount, the recipient and the fee before you proceed. So when you're done with the confirmation of reviewing the details, you can as well as send the money. So for you to be able to send your money, tap send to complete the transfer and you will receive a notification once the transfer is successful. And that's how you can easily use TapTap Send to send money to Nepal. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.